Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. They have a soft grip which makes them ideal for side sleepers. And just taking a look at the side of the box, which has some specifications, and the back of the box, which has more product detail as well as specifications of this pair of sleep earplugs. So this pair of earplugs come with a storage or carry case. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. Let's do that by popping up the flap at the top of the box and taking a look inside. Let's slide the tray out from the card box packaging, and let's set the box on the right hand side of the frame as I lay the rest of the contents across the tabletop, so you have a nice good look at the items from the box packaging. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at this booklet here. So there is a pamphlet or booklet for the Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. Let's fold it open or unfold it. And you can see the print is rather small and it does fold out across very many panels. So I'm just trying to find the right orientation up. Nonetheless, this is probably the best way to show you. The text is quite small, so I'll just skim across very quickly just to give you an idea. And then we'll take a close-up look shortly after, just so you have some idea of the text that's on this fold-up booklet. So giving you a close-up look, just looking for the English panel. There are several languages covered in this booklet. And just trying to find the right one for English, or at least, there we go. So English is tucked away somewhere in the middle. So this product is made in the Netherlands. So there's some maintenance information as well. So it is reusable and they are made out of soft silicone. So they are washable as well. And of course the storage case or carry case does come in handy for safely and securely packing them away for reuse. Okay, so that's the booklet for the Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. So I'm just trying to neaten this up so I can set it to the side. So let's do this as best I can. You can see it is rather comprehensive, covering several languages. And okay, I think that's the best I can do for now, and we're just gonna set it on the left hand side of the frame where there's still some table real estate. And then moving on to the Pluggerz themselves. So this is the pair of earplugs designed for sleep because they do have a soft grip, which makes them ideal for side sleepers. So designed for sleeping comfort in mind, and of course reducing ambient noise without blocking sound out completely. Let's lift off the clear plastic tray cover. I'm just going to set that to the side, and nice to see that that's recyclable. And taking a look inside at the Pluggerz earplugs, the Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs, and of course the carry or storage case right above it. And just giving you a close-up look before I start handling them with my fingers, of course, so giving you as clear as possible the various aspects and views at this pair of earplugs. So giving you a nice good look, hopefully, right there. And now let's pop them out from the packaging tray, or tray packaging. And even this bottom part of the tray packaging is recyclable as well. Nice to see. Okay, so I do have the pair of earplugs removed along with the storage case right here. So it does have a bullet-like kind of shape and made from hard plastic, which is of course quite light in weight still. So nice design there, and you can see the Pluggerz branding on it. And just to give you some idea of the size, I'm going to leave that in the palm of my hand along with the pair of earplugs. So let's set the earplugs lower down, and of course setting that Pluggerz case, just trying to show them as best I can right there, so you have a nice good view at the earplugs along with their storage case right there. Okay, now going back to the case, taking a clear look here, you can see the Pluggerz branding, and taking an all-round look. So light and rigid case here, and let's lift it open to see what it's like. So there is a little catch here. Let's lift that catch just to show you what it looks like inside. So you can see there are two spaces, I think. Not quite sure. That should be the bottom really, even though the catch is on this side. Actually, no, that's correct. So the catch is at the top and the dividers are above right there. So giving you a look inside. And let's just pop the earplugs in just to have a quick look how they sit inside. Right there, very neat. You can see sits perfectly in the storage case, and just like that, they are ready to be put aside or kept in your bag, ready to use. And right there, the earplugs as they are, sitting nicely in their pods in this storage case. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift or remove the earplugs from the case, setting the case to the left hand side of the frame, still being in view, and taking a look. Of course, the initial impressions right now, just touching them, feeling them, really soft and really light in weight, and they are pretty much entirely soft, except for, of course, kind of like the inner core structure right there. You can see with the bluish like element inside of it, so it does filter out most ambient noise without blocking it out completely. So you can still hear the essential noises such as your alarm clock going off or your crying baby, because you don't want to forget about your crying baby. Okay, so giving you a nice good look, just showing you how soft they are. So they do have kind of like a jelly fish-like structure, Man of War, the tiered version, and the color is of a light purple, and you can see it does have a translucent design, letting some light through. Not that it really matters, but makes it easy to identify any dirt should they build up in dirt. But of course they are washable and reusable, and make sure you dry them before you store them aside after washing. So simple washing with some light, warm, soapy water will do the trick. So giving you a look, let's handle just one side so we can really focus and show you the kind of details of this Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplug. So just showing you that one side, and the grip, as you can see, is soft, so that won't hurt side sleepers should they sleep on the side of their head on the pillow. So not going to poke into your ear canal or into your earlobes or any part of your ear right there. And showing you that flexibility right there. So it's going to give you a nice and very good seal in one's ear. And once again, just giving you an all-on look at this Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplug. Just one side. And right there. And just showing you just how soft that material is. So pretty much like most ear tips or earbuds for earphones, that soft silicone material, and just showing you how flexible and pliable it is. And right there, that tiered layer providing a good seal and filtering out any ambient noise to provide a nice, comfortable experience and restful sleep. Okay, so now let's put the pair of Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs in one's ear and see if they really make any difference in regards to reducing or filtering out ambient noise. And just giving you a look at them once again, both together. Okay, so there's a way of putting them in. It involves stretching back and up one's ear by pulling on the ear tip and pushing the earplug in and releasing one's ear tip and pushing it further in. So that just provides that real snug fit. So one side is in, I've just put the right side in. Now I'm doing my left ear and pulling on my ear tip up and back and pushing the plug in and then releasing and pushing the plug in some more, and I can feel that it's reduced quite significantly and providing a nice good seal in my ear canal, reducing and filtering out the ambient noise. And now I'm using the palm of my hands on both sides, of course, pushing into my ear, and let's try folding my ear inwards into the canal to see if there's any pain or discomfort from any of the earplug parts pressing into my earlobe or any areas around it. So no discomfort at all. And I'm pressing with significant pressure. And of course now I'm shaking my head left and right, and the earplugs are still neatly in place, and I'm of course speaking as well, and sometimes that talking might dislodge or move the earplugs, but yeah, just quick test like that and I can feel that they do provide a nice comfortable seal and they are quite effective. So let's get that focus back on if the camcorder can manage to get focus right there. It's right there. Quick little test of this pair of Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. Very easy to use and providing a good level of noise reduction, and of course being super comfortable as well. So that's the Pluggerz Uni-Fit Sleep Earplugs. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping!